Hi, Brendan from Metra Electronics here with a new solution for a 2017 and up Toyota Corolla, the 99 and 95-8262. Both painted a high gloss black. Difference in them being is the 95 is specifically designed for a double din install and the 99 for a single din install. Now install is pretty quick and easy. All you'll need to finish the install is the wiring harness, which will be your 70-1761, and your antenna adapter, which is going to be the 40-LX11. For any more information on this product or other brands, you can visit us at metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics, and we are 12 volt.